Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are talking about the best AI tool whose name is Arduino Uno R3. You have ever heard about it, but today we will explain everything about it to you to clear your every doubt about this device. Basically, it is an electronic device which is used in many works, fields, student projects, and many more. Because you can make everything from it, like RC car, RC drone, robot, watches, homes appliance, and much more. Maybe it will be difficult for you to learn. But if you are interested in this smart gadgets, then it can be very easy for you. You can program it as you want. You can control any digital pin, analog pin, and there are also many sensors and modules are available in market to make projects from it, like you want to build an RC car which can controlled by your phone via Bluetooth. You need to purchase a car model, one Bluetooth module, some motors, battery, lights, etc., and every part is available in market with a very cheap price, and you can also purchase anything from Amazon or any local websites. And there's no limit of it. You can also make portable games or game controllers from it, or any pet robot. Arduino is an heart-touching device for engineers. And also there are many resources to learn it like YouTube, Udemy, Coursera, and there are also many websites which are just focusing on its designs and learning. And one more thing you must know about this amazing device is that it has many sizes and models like Arduino Mega, Arduino Nano, Arduino Pro Micro, Arduino Explora, etc. You can search on it, and also there are many sensors which are very useful for it, like passive infrared sensor, ultrasonic sensing, light sensor, rain sensor, motion sensor, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and much more. And also many batteries are available for it, and you can also search mini solar panels for creating projects, and there are also 5 or 12 volt solar panels are available for it to make different projects for it. As I already told you, this technology have unlimited access. There are also many DC motors are available to connect with it. You can learn it to make your life easy. And these are also SIM modules are available to make phone from it. Or you can also connect it with mobile apps or websites after getting a little knowledge about it. For example, you want to make a video game, then you can purchase every single part of it from Amazon or any other electronic company. And the main thing of any video game is its speakers, mic, buttons, etc. Everything is available. And there are also many watch-size LCDs available to make your smartwatch by you. And if you are thinking about the amazing designs of ready-made products, then there's another good news for you. Many 3D printers are also available to make any plastic gadgets, bodies, parts, etc. You just need to create one design in your computer and upload to a 3D printer and create it. But if you don't have any 3D printers, then don't worry about it. There are also many online sellers available which can print your design and deliver it to you with a very reasonable price. Many Arduino lovers design Arduino cases from this 3D printer, car models, drone bodies, and much more. And the main thing to use an Arduino board is that you must learn programming like C or C++, which can be very easy for you. And you have the full access of electronics through Arduino. Also have many camera modules to use with it. If you are interested in this information, kindly give a comment and ask us to create more videos like this. And if you like this information, kindly like, share, and subscribe our video for more information.